Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about array of structures, part of programming in C course. In C programming, an array of structures is an array of objects, each of which has the same data type. This can be useful when you want to store multiple records of the same type in an array. For example, if you want to store the information of several students, you can define an array of structure student. Here is an example of how you can declare and initialize an array of structures. In this example, the structure student has three members: name, role, and marks. An array of structure S with size of max students, 3 in this case, is declared. The elements of the array are then initialized in a for loop using scanf. The details of each student are then displayed using another for loop. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.